jump on my leg. G for goat and H for hat. I for igloo.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to an exciting journey through the alphabet with Alaa. In this fun-filled video, we're going to explore the first 6 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Each letter comes to life with a special word and a playful example that will capture your child's imagination and make learning super fun. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go! The first letter is A. This is big A, and this is small a. Let's say the sound together. Fantastic. A is for apple. Let's take a big bite of this juicy apple as we learn the sound of the letter A. Repeat with me. Apple. Good job.
Yay!
B, this is big B, and this is small b. Let's say the sound together. Buh. Excellent. B is for ball. Watch as we blow up a bright, colorful balloon. Balloons fly high in the sky. Now repeat with me. Ball. Good job. C. This is big C, and this is small c. Let's say the sound together. Excellent.
Yay!
C is for cat. Meet our friendly cat who loves to play and purr. Cats are curious, and so are we as we discover the sound of the letter C. Now repeat with me. Cat. Well done. D. This is big D, and this is small d. Let's say the sound together. Duh. Excellent.
Yay!
D is for dinosaur. Our dinosaur friend is here to help us learn the letter D. Dinosaurs are big and strong, just like your brain. Now repeat with me. Dinosaur. Well done. E, this is big E, and this is small e. Let's say the sound together. Excellent.
Yay!
E is for elephant. Trumpet along with our elephant pal as we learn the sound of the letter E. Elephants are smart and gentle. Perfect companions for our learning adventure. Now repeat with me. A. Elephant.
Yay!
Well done. F. This is big F, and this is small f. Let's say the sound together. Excellent. F is for fire truck. Vroom, vroom. Hear the siren and see the flashing lights as we explore the letter F with a fire truck. Fire trucks are fast and brave, just like our learners. Now repeat with me. Fire truck.
Wow, we had so much fun learning together today. You've done an amazing job exploring the alphabet from A to F with me. Keep practicing those letters and sounds. You're doing great. Remember, every day is an adventure when we learn something new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can keep learning and growing together. There's so much more fun to come, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, keep shining bright and stay curious, little learners. Subscribe now and let's learn, grow, and glow together. See you soon.